music family. It is April 8th and we are like 20 minutes before the total eclipse. You can see lots of it in North America. I'm in North America, I'm in Canada. Right now the sun is beaming and it should get completely dark. Hopefully we can see it. Other provinces are seeing it a little bit more. But with that being said, what I'm using here today is I'm doing a repour on an 8 by 20 inch canvas. I have an 8-ounce cup here. I rarely ever use my color pour. I think it was one of the first sets of paints I ever got when I started pouring. So I have a Mod Podge of color. I can't tell you exactly what they are because they're leftovers and I mix leftovers together. So I've got a Mod Podge and I think this should be fun. I'm only using these 4 colors. You guys know I usually don't make a lot, but I have white and my paints are fairly fluid. Okay, they have just a trace on the top, no mound. And so they're gonna blend and I'm really excited. So we're gonna go and load up the cup and I think I'm just gonna do a dirty pour, something I probably haven't done since the very, very beginning. It's a super basic, simplistic technique, perfect for beginners. And I'm just gonna pour paint on the canvas and we're gonna see what happens. So let's get going. Those kind of wispies there that I went over, and I have the other colors kind of popping through here. I'm not worried about the size. It's a repour, it's an old canvas, just getting rid of some leftover paint, but gorgeous marbling here. And I love that, I'm calling it that honeycomb. Like, what a beautiful color that is. Really beautiful color. I'm glad I added the white to it. I do like the side kind of profiles. So overall, for leftover pour, I don't mind this. I was gonna get, some squiggly and funky lines because of the consistency, and I knew that. But just getting rid of the paint, playing with it. And these colors may be an unusual palette because they're a Mod Podge of custom mixes. I don't even know if you want to call it custom. They were just kind of thrown together. But I do like the composition. So take care, stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And let me know, what was the craziest colors you guys poured with? And did it turn out or not?